This VIP Realty property video is presented by Valerie Vaccaro. Enjoy stunning views of the golf course from your enclosed lanai. Golf course renovation in progress. This recently renovated 2-bedroom 2-bath with over 1,100 square feet is move-in ready. Stainless steel appliances, updated bathrooms with walk-in showers and raised vanities, new carpeting, impact windows, plenty of cabinet space in kitchen as well as both bedrooms with tons of closet space.Washer/dryer in unit. Unit being sold completely furnished, furniture less than 2 years old, golf course assessment paid in full. Come see what 7 Lakes 55+ lifestyle has to offer: unlimited golf with no trail or green fees, 6 har-tru tennis courts, bocce, pickled ball courts, shuffleboard, 6 heated pools throughout community, wood shop, hobby room, on-site restaurant, auditorium for all your socials and dances, full-service rec department with bus trips, fitness center, lapidary, card rooms, billiards, ladies and men's clubs and so much more. 7 Lakes is centrally located to shopping, dining, RSW Airport, Fort Myers Beach, and downtown Fort Myers. This is a must-see. For more information, review